Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got the Asos box for July and this is what it looks like. If you're new to the Asos Beauty Box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Asos have been doing these beauty boxes for a good couple of years now, and they bring them out once a month, usually around the first week of the month, and they ship internationally. The cost of the boxes range, but generally month to month you're looking at £12 a box. Last month we had a special edition box where we had, instead of 5 products, we had 9 and it cost £20, and I know a few of you were wondering whether that was going to be the new norm, but no, this month we're back to a £12 box. This is not a subscription box, they just release on the Asos website. If you like it, you buy it. You just need to create an Asos account and you're good to go. Now these boxes sell out super fast, so as soon as I find out that they're released, and I have not missed one yet in what, 3-4 years since I've been receiving these boxes, I post it up everywhere. So I post up on my Instagram, my Facebook page, even on the community page on my YouTube channel as well, and my Twitter, which I hardly ever use. I post up everywhere to let you all know that it is released. So if you never want to miss an Asos box, make sure that you're obviously subscribed and following my social pages, but also click for notifications as well, so then you're notified as soon as I post them up. This box is kindly sent to me as PR, so I'm able to show you and tell you all about it. I'm really grateful for Asos for sending these boxes out to me, because it gives you a chance to see if this is a box for you or not. There's always discounts flying around with Asos. If you're a student, you're able to get a discount. If I can find any other discounts that are running as well, I'll pop them down below in the description, as well as links to this box when it goes live. It's not live yet, but when it does go live, I'll pop that down there as well, and any other boxes they've got available on their website. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside the July box. Give you a quick sneak peek first. We'll go through all the products in detail in a little while, but inside there's a little card, so I'll refer to this as we go along. We've got 6 products in this month's box. It says here, the sun is starting to shine, which can only mean one thing. It's time to switch up your face and body routine. From lightweight skincare to sweat-proof makeup, the latest face and body box has all the swaps you need to keep your skin prepped, hydrated and glowing all summer long. So first up, we've got the Cerave Hydrating Cleanser, the Cult Cleansing Lotion loaded with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid to protect your skin's natural barrier and hydrate thirsty summer skin. Use this full size morning and night on both your face and body to see what all the hype is about. So there's 236 mils here, and I've actually got one of these, and there's only a little bit left actually. It's probably about a quarter. We've got it down in our bathroom. Our bathroom's downstairs. We've got an upside down house. They do some really lovely cleansers. This is one of the favourite ones from the range, so I'm really chuffed that we've got another one. So yeah, so that's the first item in the box. Next, treat yourself to some TLC with a Sand in the Sky Emu Apple Bounce Mask. It hydrates, protects and brightens thanks to Papadou Plum, an amazing rich source of vitamin C for the best ever summer glow. And we've got 10 grams there. Now I've just recently received this in a subscription box a couple of weeks ago, because I've yet to use it, but I was so impressed when I was reading about it. It sounds amazing. Sand and Sky do amazing masks. They're quite pricey. They are quite pricey, but their pink clay mask, oh, I do really like it. It hasn't got much information on the back here, just the ingredients, but yeah. So we've got a face mask. It says skin in need of an extra boost. Apply a drop of Tan Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum to nourish your skin and get that post-holiday glow at home. And we got 10 mils there. It says apply 4 to 12 drops directly to skin, massage in circular motions and avoiding the eye area. Additional drops will increase depth of colour and reapply as needed. So there's that. And it says, and of course the last step, and the most important step in your skincare routine should always be your SPF. Try this sample of Lancaster's Sun Sensitive Face Fluid with SPF 50 to protect against UVA and UVB rays, even on cloudy days. And we've got a little sample there, and that is 3 mils. So there's a little mini one there. In the mood for lighter makeup, give Ciarte's Glossy Lychee and Acai Lip Oil a go for a fruity burst of hydration and a little pop of colour. Oh, it smells absolutely gorgeous. It does smell gorgeous. Yeah, it smells really nice. You're not going to be able to see much there. Smells absolutely gorgeous. So we got a lip oil, and then lastly we've got a spray, and it says here, as a final step, once you've got your sun-kissed makeup on, Benefit's Porefessional setting spray can handle the heat to lock your look in place all day. And this is the Porefessional Super Setter long-lasting makeup setting spray. There's 15 mils here. I am really excited to try this. I have not tried this one before. The multitasking microfine mist leaves skin feeling smooth, refreshed and hydrated. Locks makeup on for up to 16 hours. Instantly blurs pores, which is a massive tick, and feels weightless and alcohol free. I love the Porefessional range. I absolutely love it for primers. And I wanted to try this. I think this is quite a new product in the last couple of months or so. And yeah, I really want to try it, so I am chuffed that I've got a little one here to give a go. Let's see what the spray is like. Oh, it's nice. A nice fine spray, not too wet. No, I like it. So those are all the products inside this month's July beauty box from Asos. I'll just gather them all up and do a bit of a recap. So we've got a full-size Cerave Hydrating Cleanser. We've got a Sand and Sky Australian Emu Apple Face Mask. We've got a Lancaster Luminous Tan SPF 50 Lotion. We've got a Tan Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Acid Serum. We've got a Ciati London Conditioning Lip Oil. And lastly, we've got a Porefessional The Setter Spray by Benefit. So the cost of this box is £12 and it hasn't gone live on their website yet, but it should do in the next week. So as soon as I find out, I will let you all know. I will let you all know. But as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you going to get it or are you going to pass on it? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.